Is it time to buy or sell Weight Watchers International stock? In this video, we will explore Weight Watchers International in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 29th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 28th of April 2025, our system has ranked Weight Watchers International as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. During this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 77.03% since we first recommended purchasing Weight Watchers International 2 days ago. This results in an average return of 38.51% per day since it was classified as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system predicts considerable volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the recent developments, we find it challenging to ascertain the stock's next direction, as it could move in either direction. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential 50.31% decline over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 96.95% to negative 50.31%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 40.48%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 94.97% to 18.92% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between 3.69 cents and 87 cents. Our latest daily update for Weight Watchers International includes the headline, High volatility in Weight Watchers International Incorporated stock price on Tuesday, which ended trading at 0.732. The Weight Watchers International Incorporated stock price gained 77.03% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 29th of April, 2025. Rising from 0.414 to 0.732, it has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to gain or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 55.37%, with a day low at 0.630 and a day high of 0.98. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 332.37% over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 433 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 568 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $415.9 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $2.35 and the lowest price was 0.117. Currently, the price is 68.85% or $1.62 below the 52-week high and 99.31% or $105 below the all-time high on June 20th, 2018, when the price reached $105.73. Weight Watchers, trading under the symbol WW, is currently experiencing significant market movements. Recent news highlights a fresh partnership with Lilly Direct Pharmacy, aimed at streamlining member access to Zepbound medication. This integration could enhance member engagement and retention, which is critical for the company's long-term health, potentially stabilizing its stock in the face of prior volatility. However, the company faces heavy scrutiny due to ongoing bankruptcy discussions. An activist investor suggests that the speculation around bankruptcy could be a strategy for negotiating debt. The weightiness of such talks weighs on investor confidence, as evidenced by stock fluctuations reported earlier this month when Weight Watchers considered filing for Chapter 11. With substantial debt pressures and a strategic pivot needed, immediate investor sentiment remains cautious, negatively impacting stock prices in the short term. Consequently, while recent initiatives to streamline operations may hold promise for future growth, the prevailing uncertainties surrounding its financial stability could overshadow positive developments. In the long term, a successful restructuring or efficient management of existing debts could restore investor confidence, but until then, WW may continue to face volatility in its stock price. Analyst Ratings. On Tuesday, the 8th of October, 2024, it was reported that Craig Hallam assigned WW a hold grade along with a hold action. On the same day, Tuesday, the 8th of October, 2024, Barclays designated WW as underweight with a hold action. On Friday, the 26th of July, 2024, Morgan Stanley reported that WW received an equal weight grade along with a downgrade action. On Wednesday, the 27th of September, 2023, it was noted that Craig Hallam upgraded WW to a hold grade with an upgrade action. On Tuesday, the 25th of July, 2023, Morgan Stanley assigned WW an overweight grade along with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned Weight Watchers International stock a general sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Weight Watchers International. The Weight Watchers International Incorporated stock is currently showing buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal due to the relationship between these moving averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. Should there be a downward correction, support is expected at the levels of 30 cents and 41 cents. A decline below either of these points would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, April 17th, 2025, and the stock has since surged by 463.08%. Further increases are anticipated until a new pop pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal has been generated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a strong technical indicator. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 198 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 67 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 57 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Weight Watchers International. Weight Watchers International, Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at 0.725, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support level is tested. This stock exhibits significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. It is categorized as very high risk. In the last day, the stock fluctuated by 0.349 between its high and low, which corresponds to 55.37%. Over the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 58.98%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Weight Watchers International, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 1st of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates predict a loss of 26 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Weight Watchers International. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Weight Watchers International is at 0.799. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be an interesting point to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Weight Watchers International faces its first support level at 0.725. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Weight Watchers International from various analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 16th of April, 2025, Amsel Michael executed an insider purchase of 524,109 shares of restricted stock unit. On the 27th of March, 2025, Commodity Terra made an insider purchase of 99,956 shares of common stock. On the same day, Commodity Terra also conducted an insider sale of 36,035 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 27th of March, 2025, Commodity Terra sold 99,956 shares of restricted stock unit. On the 24th of March, 2025, Amsel Michael executed an insider purchase of 0 shares. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is positive with a ratio of 39.170. In total, insiders purchased 2,963,329 shares and sold 1,206,335 shares in these 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at 0.705, representing a decline of 3.72%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which introduces significant risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom, identified 7 days ago. Is Weight Watchers International stock a good buy? Weight Watchers International Inc. presents several positive signals. However, we do not find these sufficient to deem it a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning hold or accumulate, while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses observed in the technical analysis, we have revised our conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 30th of April, we anticipate that Weight Watchers International will open higher by approximately 5 cents and begin trading at 78 cents. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.